What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Unless you're watching this video, then you'll get the inside scoop on everything Sin City has to offer along the one and only Las Vegas Strip. The neon lights are calling your name. The slot machines are begging you to try your luck. World-class shows, clubs, restaurants, and pools are ready to dazzle your senses. This is Las Vegas. In this ultimate guide to Sin City, I'll take you through all the glitz, glamour, and non-stop action of the legendary Las Vegas Strip. Get ready for the ultimate insider's guide to help you plan the Las Vegas trip of a lifetime. Let's start this Sin City adventure. Overview of the Strip. The Las Vegas Strip is the sparkling heart of Sin City, running for over 4 miles along the legendary Las Vegas Boulevard. This is the Vegas of your wildest dreams, where casinos, resorts, and neon lights merge into one adrenaline-pumping spectacle. The Strip, as we know it today, started taking shape in the 1940s and 50s on a once empty patch of highway outside downtown Vegas. Big hotel casinos like the Flamingo and Sahara kicked things off. Then icons like Caesar's Palace and the original MGM Grand took it to another level in the 60s and 70s. Strolling the Strip today, you're immersed in the sights, sounds, and energy of Vegas. Music pumps from casino doorways while dancing fountains dazzle. The air conditioning provides relief from the blazing sun as you walk from one themed hotel to the next. It's pure sensory overload. The Strip is loosely divided into sections, like the central core from Caesars to Treasure Island and the luxe new developments up by Wynn and the Venetian. Wherever you roam, adventure awaits. Let's check out some of the hot spots you just have to experience. At the Venetian, you'll be transported to Venice with gondola rides along indoor canals underneath beautifully painted ceilings. The elegant Caesar's Palace features lavish Roman architecture and a massive casino action. One of the swankiest resorts is Bellagio, where you can marvel at the spectacular fountains dance to music out front. MGM Grand impresses with its emerald green exterior, massive gaming floors, and top-notch entertainment. If you're seeking family-friendly fun, head to the pirate battles at Treasure Island. And for that Parisian vibe, there's, well, Paris Las Vegas with its 50-story replica Eiffel Tower out front. The Cosmopolitan lives up to its name with trendy bars and restaurants, while Wynn and Encore are all about that luxurious, upscale Vegas experience. You can't miss the erupting volcano outside the Mirage, while Mandalay Bay dazzles with its tropical theme. Check out the massive Sphinx guarding the pyramid-shaped Luxor too. Excalibur is hard to top for medieval flair. At Circus Circus, it's all about the carnival games and free circus acts, and the iconic Sahara still channels those vintage Vegas vibes. With so many options, your head will be spinning as bright and fast as a slot machine. Free attractions. Las Vegas dazzles with free attractions guaranteed to stop you in your tracks. Number 1 on the list is the awe-inspiring fountains of Bellagio, where majestic streams of water dance to music. Be sure to catch a show after dark when the lights enhance the experience. The volcano erupting outside the Mirage shoots fireballs into the sky at night, synchronized to thumping music. Definitely a must-see. While strolling through Caesar's Palace, you can't miss the animatronic Fall of Atlantis show. Kids and kids at heart will be enthralled by the special effects. At Circus Circus, free circus acts like trapeze artists, jugglers, and acrobats perform daily, and kids can win prizes at the Carnival Midway arcade area. Other classic free Vegas fun includes the romantic gondola rides through the Venetian's shops, the dazzling light shows projected on the Luxor Pyramid, and photo ops with street performers along the Strip. The entertainment is non-stop, and the best part is you won't spend a dime. Paid attractions and tours. If you're ready to open your wallet for once-in-a-lifetime thrills, the Las Vegas Strip delivers with incredible paid attractions. Adrenaline junkies will love the roller coasters on top of casinos like the Big Apple Coaster in New York and the High Roller at the Stratosphere, which also has a heart-pounding sky jump and ride experiences. For stunning views of the Strip, head to the Eiffel Tower viewing deck at Paris, Las Vegas, or the High Roller, the world's largest observation wheel. See Vegas from the air during a helicopter tour over the Strip at night or checking out the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam by air. You can also tour those landmarks by bus. The Neon Museum is a must with its outdoor neon boneyard displaying retired Vegas signs. At the Pinball Hall of Fame, you can play hundreds of vintage pinball and arcade games. To come face-to-face with sharks and other marine life, visit the Shark Reef Aquarium at Mandalay Bay. At the Luxor, the Titanic Artifact exhibit lets you touch a real iceberg. And at Madame Tussauds, you can snap selfies with eerily lifelike wax celebs. Other one-of-a-kind experiences include riding in a gondola through the Venetian's Grand Canal shops or soaring 550 feet above the Strip in the High Roller observation wheel. The Las Vegas Strip really does have it all when it comes to attractions. The toughest part is choosing what to do first. Nightlife. When the sun goes down in Vegas, the nightclubs turn up. For the ultimate clubbing experience, check out Omnia and Hakkasan at Caesars Palace and Marquee at the Cosmopolitan. At Wynn, you have options like Excess and Encore Beach Club. Dre's brings the after-hours vibes. For a more intimate experience, Tao at the Venetian and One Oak at the Mirage dish up hip-hop energy without massive crowds. Looking for high-energy dancing all night? Head to Light at Mandalay Bay. Beyond the clubs, you've got to catch a show on the Strip. Laugh until it hurts at comedy acts or be awestruck by magicians like Chris Angel or David Copperfield. The Cirque du Soleil spectacles like O and Michael Jackson 1 mix acrobatics and artistry. Concerts and residencies also draw huge crowds, with stars like Katy Perry, Luke Bryan, and Adele performing on stages at venues like Dolby Live at Park MGM. With endless options every night, the biggest challenge is choosing how to spend your precious late-night hours in Las Vegas. Dining. When it comes to restaurants, the Las Vegas Strip serves up every cuisine you crave, from celebrity chef hotspots to family-friendly cheap eats. For fine French dining, Guy Savoy and Joel Robuchon are must-try spots. Twist by Pierre Gagnère puts a modern spin on French fare. Mr. Chow and Nobu satisfy your Chinese and Japanese cravings. If you want a taste of California, Spago by Wolfgang Puck and Mesa Grill by Bobby Flay fit the bill. Celebrity chef mashes like Hell's Kitchen and Vanderpump Cocktail Garden are fun too. All-you-can-eat buffets offer unlimited options at spots like Wicked Spoon at the Cosmopolitan and Caesar Palace's Bacchanal Buffet. For family-friendly menus on a budget, check out ramen shops, burger joints, and 24-hour cafes. From 99-cent shrimp cocktails to $500 gold-dusted steaks, Las Vegas serves it all up. With this insane variety of cuisines and prices, your taste buds will be dancing like the fountains of Bellagio. When to visit? To fully enjoy the Vegas Strip, time your visit right. Summer swelters with 110-degree temperatures, so autumn through spring are ideal. From October through April, you'll get pleasant weather, perfect for walking between casinos. Weekdays are less crowded than weekends, especially in the heat of summer. Holiday times like New Year's draw huge crowds and jack up hotel prices. For thinner crowds and affordable rates, target a weekday in the shoulder season. Then you can stroll the Strip at a relaxing pace and not battle long lines at attractions. Choose your Vegas timing wisely. There you have it, the inside scoop on experiencing the one and only Las Vegas Strip to the fullest. From world-famous hotels and casinos to dazzling free shows, thrilling attractions and adventures, spectacular pools, delicious food, and vibrant nightlife, the Strip has it all. Have you been swayed to travel to the legendary Las Vegas Strip yet? Share your thoughts in the comments below and make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing travel guides.